Hello everybody, it's the Robin Schubert show.
Is this a warm-up?
Super Squirrel, no.
Oh, do you know I'm recording then?
Hmm?
You know I'm recording?
I just assumed you were.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Well, hello, it's Markonthecamera with me.
Thank God for that. It's me, guys. I'm here again. He's acknowledged me this time. He forgot me completely last time. He's always moaning about me forgetting him. But anyway, we're here again.
We're back at the drag strip with Super Squirrel.
Super Shoebert. He's getting all kinds of nicknames, isn't he?
Yes.
So, why have you got him on the car? I mean, you've had him on the car before, but what are you going to do today, Rob?
Well, because
Yes.
my last ever Poor Boys Speed Challenge
Last
run
ever.
didn't destroy the car fully.
No. Well, it nearly did. You've had to rebuild it, haven't you, mate?
I have, yeah. Yeah, so, but anyway, I've put it all back together. I'm hoping it's going to work.
Because you promised, didn't you, that
Yes.
Shoebert was going to get a ride?
Yes.
And are you just going to toot along?
No, he
No.
insisted that I go flat out.
You're joking with him on the back.
Yeah.
So we better put a speed meter on then, because I want to see how fast Shoebert can go, Rob.
So we've got the speed meter on, but also because he's rather muscly.
Muscly.
Yeah.
You're on about?
Well, he weighs a lot.
Okay.
I've stuck some lead on the front.
Lead. Oh my God, this could end in
So-
tears, Rob. Lead in the front.
Yeah, it's not going to be as fast as
What
my last
if,
run.
what if Shoebert dies, Rob?
Oh, well, that's the chance he wants to take.
He wants. Oh, he's going to go for it then.
Yeah, so if there's any of you out there that are a bit squeamish,
Ooh.
I strongly suggest you look away now because it might all end in tears.
Yeah, but he has got a nice shiny red helmet though, hasn't he?
Yeah.
So that might protect him, Rob.
Yeah. Or his flapping cape might.
If he goes up dragging down the road on his on all fours, you never know. Right then,
Let's get it on.
let's do it, dude. Okay, Rob.
Yeah.
So there he is. We've got Shoebert with his ride. We've got 0 mile an hour on here. If you just give it a bit of a move, Rob. Yeah, I'm tracking that. Hang on a minute. Stop. Read. 3 miles an hour. Okay, let's reset it. Okay. Start. Right. We're in action, mate. So let's get it on. Phone's in pocket. Okay, he's gone behind the bush.
Doesn't turn very well.
Schubert's affecting the handling, is he? Oh, I can see him. Whoa! Did you crash it, Rob? Hey?
I said at least he's got brakes.
That's amazing. Schubert's still on there. Whoa! Are you calling it, Rob? Are you calling it or are you going again? He's going again, guys! Shoebert! Hang on there, Shoebert! Oh, he's turning it nicely. He's got a fly on his neck. Here he comes. Come on, Shoebert. There's a car in the way. What's happened? What's he doing, that bloke? Tipping rubbish out. Named and shamed, I've got his number plate. What are you doing, Rob? Do you want me to keep filming? You broke it. Oh, he's walking back with it, guys. Is it broke? Have you broke it?
No.
What?
I think I need thread lock on my pinion grub screw.
Oh no, so it's...
Second time it's come loose.
Oh, well, we'll just have to see how fast it went then. Let me get the phone. I haven't stopped recording, Rob, so you can fast forward that if you like.
No,
So here we go.
It's not for Phil anyway.
No, so stop.
What?
Read. 56 miles an hour. This is... arsehole.
Yeah.
This is officially the fastest squirrel in the world.
Yeah.
Where's his helmet?
Oh, I think that come off when he went under the car. We'll go and search for it.
Oh, Shooby survived even without his shiny red helmet on.
Yeah.
That is amazing, Rob. 56
Yeah.
mile an hour with a squirrel on the
Cool.
top. Tell you what, some guys haven't gone that fast in the speed test.
I know.
And they didn't have a
Without
squirrel on.
a
Maybe that's the thing, guys. You need to put a squirrel on your car.
Yeah. Alright, cheers, dude.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
See you later. And here we have Robertus Brennetus on the search for a rabbit's red